It's getting hot, it's getting hot. So why don't you guys stay cool with this amazing ZICOOLER bladeless fan? Bladeless fan. It is a new technology that is absolutely enjoyable because it is nice, first of all, and it's super safe. If you do have pets or kids around the house, so this bladeless fan makes it super, super safe. No more getting caught in the blades. But here's how it works, and so far so good. You can set it up anywhere you want. It comes with a remote control, and then you actually control everything. So the level, you have buttons here to increase, create a fan. And then the cool thing is you can also, with the remote, rotate it. Pretty cool. It does about. It has also a quiet mode. It is actually quiet, so meaning you can have it by your bedroom, by your bed at night. So I'm gonna actually turn it around. Super nice. So stay cool this summer with something that is pet friendly, children friendly, and sleeping friendly because it is super quiet. And when you go to the quiet mode, it does not change the level of the air that you're getting. And then it has a timer as well that you can set up a timer. Let's say if it takes you 15 minutes to 30 minutes to fall asleep, you can set it up for 30 minutes and then it goes off after 30 minutes. So that way it's not going to be running all night. But if you are like a very warm sleeper and you need that extra help in addition to the AC or whatever, this is the perfect solution for you, this ZICOOLER bladeless fan. Stay cool this summer, stay cool this summer, and enjoy safety, enjoy being cool with comfort.